So I was on my way to pick up the fender for the Range Rover, which is now installed on the Range Rover. But 20 minutes from the destination, after driving for about an hour and a half, the Yukon started having some issues. Like really rough idling, like just stuttering off the line, and not great. You might be able to hear it. We had a dead miss on cylinder 8. As it turns out, it ended up being just a coil, but I ended up stuck on the side of the road for a few hours until Rob was able to bring me the parts so that we could fix it. Luckily, I broke down in a great place. I broke down in Kei Truck Heaven. Got a nice selection at Jersey 31 Auto Sales, and Shawn was super friendly. So let's take a quick look at what they've got. We have a Mitsubishi, they're so little. And they're really clean. Like there's no rust under here. It's super nice. A lot of them are 4x4 too. It's got a couple dump trucks. Should go take a look at those. So these are all 600 cc's, right? 660, I think. It's a big Ram with a power takeoff pump here. Very cool, very nice. They all manual too, if you're into manual tiny trucks. And they're about 2,200 pounds, so they're very light. Now look at the size of this piston. That's some serious hydraulics for the dump truck, for the dump bed. Whoa, it starts right up. That's cool. That's cool. Nice. And safety. Do you mind if I sit in it? I've always wondered what it
You're good size.
Yeah. So the seats are they're just this position, right?
They go forward.
Okay. Well, I guess for me,
Crazy.
that works. It's really little. That's cool. It's actually, well, it feels surprisingly roomy for me. It's really just a tiny truck. That's cool. Yeah. Do you want to see how you fit in it?
I'm sure that I don't.
Well, you got to know if you want to get one, right? Yeah, it's usable.
Wow, I actually do.
I don't know if it's good for long trips. Is it what, 6 foot? 6'2"? 6'1"? Okay. Sure.
That's pretty cool.
It's usable, yeah. So I don't know if much taller would be good, but
Normally around 6'2", 6'3" is about the top.
yeah, 6'2", 6'3" is the top. How is it for reaching the brakes? Okay, yeah, it works.
Oh God, I'm gonna have to get a Kei van.
Yeah. A Kei van would be pretty fun. Because they're like this size, but with a body, right? Yeah.
Yeah. This one parts hauling is perfect.
Yeah, I mean, it might be to and from AutoZone. And
Well, to and from
To-
stores, too.
to and from the, yeah. I don't know how it would do on the freeway, but you'd probably get in trouble.
65 top speed. So, like, back roads are fantastic.
Yeah,
Little roads, I don't know. Or
Yeah.
the highways.
it's so cool. Little itty bitty drive shaft. It's gonna be weird with the wheel sitting on top of the wheels. Even the tail lights are nice and clear. They're not like not fogged up or anything. I think that's the brake fluid? I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool. My first time in a Kei truck. Oh, even has the seatbelt warning sign.
Oh, cool.
Yep. Wipers. Oh, turn signals are on the right. That's different. I guess.
Everything's reversed.
Yeah, that's. Oh, this is my first time driving a right-hand drive vehicle.
I need a Kei van.
Yeah. This is a 94 Mitsubishi dump, so get the mini review. Surprisingly good size. Dump bed is great, especially if you have a property that you need to move stuff around like that on. And let's see. Okay, first is over there. Oh wait, parking brake's on. Parking brake is off. Okay. Try to find the bite point. It's so little. Oh, good visibility in the mirrors. Really small turning radius. Yeah, turning radius is great. Oops. You gotta find the bite point a bit better. There we go. It feels really different. The clutch is like, it feels like it travels differently from a regular car.
It does.
It's takes some getting used to, but this is great. I love it.
It's crazy how close up here you are. You can get
Yeah.
really close to stuff and think you're hitting it. And
Yeah, and because you're turning over the wheel right here, it's completely different. Yeah, and these this is just regular air, not no AC.
No, he's
Yeah, that makes sense. But I'm sure the new ones do have it, but yeah.
I wonder how much power that robs.
It's enough that it's not worth having. Okay. This is so cool. That's really cool. It feels really good to drive. And like the clutch is really easy. Like it's not super finicky, which is nice. That's fun. Yeah, easy to drive. Very fun. Yeah. Hey, you could almost park it in one of these sheds too.
absolutely.
So if you want a truck and a shed, this is the place to get it.
I think it's only 11 foot long.
Yeah.
Under 5 foot wide.
Yeah, very compact. That's cool. Wow, and like the plastic bumper is in great shape too. So if you come and get one here at Jersey 31 Auto Sales, they're actually titled and ready to go on the road with the clean Jersey title. It's all taken care of, so you just drive it off the lot, right?
Yep.
Yeah. And yeah, this is Shawn who runs the dealership and the sheds. And thanks so much for letting me park here while I waited for the parts.
Oh, you're welcome. It was a pleasure speaking with you and all that good stuff.
And thanks for letting me test this out. It's really cool to see like these. I saw that, I was like, oh, this is, you know, if I have to be broken down somewhere, this might as well be the place.
Now, if people want to get one of these, how do they get in touch with you?
Probably call me on my cell phone.
Yeah. I'll put the info in the video description. And yeah, thanks for letting me test it out. It's really cool. First Kei truck I've driven, hopefully not the last.
You ever been on the road in one?
No, maybe.
Want me to take you for a ride real quick?
Sure, yeah, we could do that. Yeah, there we go. It's so different, like being so far forward. I know people who drive buses probably are used to that, but it's got a good pickup.
Oh, that was bad shift.
60 kilometers per hour. Good brakes.
I think that's about 40 miles per hour.
Yeah, I'll have to get the conversions and put them over.
They make little like GPS things you can put here for like to convert it. My dad has one. It's like $20 on Amazon. It shows you the miles per hour.
Nice. The suspension is nice too. It's not really that rough for something so small.
This is Main Street, Glen Gardner. We're gonna go over some speed bumps.
Yep.
So 35 kilometers was 20 miles per hour. Or 30 kilometers, right around there. They are little though, aren't they?
Yeah.
Radio plays like AM.
Oh yeah, I mean, it's a single din, so you could convert that pretty easily. And the speakers are in the dash, I guess. Yeah. I think. Yeah.
Good question. I know the Suzuki's actually have the speaker in the stereo. Honda's actually run them in the doors.
Yeah, this is not.
I don't know if this has speakers or where they are.
It might be here. It looks like the cutout is right here for a speaker. Yeah. It might be just there. And so this is a 4-speed, but some of the others are 5 speeds, right?
Yes. I don't really think there's a difference in max speed. It just winds out a little bit more.
Yeah.
And they're meant to be high revving.
I saw the, on the fixed bed ones, it's like a 350 kilos, so like 840 pound.
That's what they say they're
capacity.
rated for, yeah. On the dump trucks, I've well exceeded that and never had any problems yet. Probably not the smartest thing to do, but...
Yes, the suspension sags a bit.
The one Honda we have, we put about 1,200 pounds in it.
Wow.
And drove 35 miles and had no issues at all, and then dumped it.
And I saw you also have the Subaru.
Subaru and a Honda Acti and a Daihatsu, a couple Mitsubishis and Suzukis.
Yeah.
Ashtray.
Yeah. Classic. Yeah, that's nice. Just everything you need. No tech, but fuel gauge, cool temp, and speed, and some warning lights.
Hopefully we don't see those.
No.
Well, they even put the number where you're supposed to shift, like third gear.
Oh yeah, that's cool. A 100 is about 62 miles per hour.
And we ran out of real estate.
No, that's good. That's plenty. I mean, that shows it'll run. That wasn't fourth yet. It'll do it. That's cool. It's so easy to park too.
I don't know if I need that.
No, you got it. Yep. The flat pedals are something to get used to. Oh, that's so cool. And it's the back and the sides flip down.
They do, and they're removable.
Oh, nice. So it could be a flatbed, tiny flatbed.
And for four-wheel drive, it's just a button. I might have to move. Let's see.
To engage it. So that was its default is rear wheel drive?
Yep, so that puts you in four-wheel drive.
Yeah.
And then for low, you would just flip that up once you're in four-wheel drive.
Okay. That's cool. Oh, and the little coin holders. That's cool. Yeah, it's faster than I thought. They got some pep. Yeah, thanks for taking me for a drive.
Oh, you're very welcome.
It's so fun. So that's my unexpected Kei Truck adventure. It was really fun getting to drive one and getting driven around. That's really cool. They're really different from what I expected. And yeah, that's awesome. I gotta get one for myself one day. We'll definitely be back here. So if you're interested in getting a Kei truck, check them out, Jersey 31 Auto Sales. And thanks again to them for letting me hang out while I waited for the parts for my truck.